For my chicken, I've taken 200 grams of chicken breasts. I'm going to add salt, some pepper, and I'm going to give it a good mix. In the meantime, I'm going to make a little bit of mushrooms to eat with it. Leave this for about 10-15 minutes. For the mushrooms, I'm going to just heat a pan first. I'm going to add a little butter to my pan, and I'm going to add the mushrooms immediately, and some and some chopped garlic, some salt, and some pepper. That's it. The thing with my kind of diet food, I've realized that basic flavors, basic spices, that's what I need to have every day. And sometimes these dishes I make, I repeat them. I do make a few, and I'm going to list them under the playlist, which will be called Fitness. I have a variety of those dishes when I try to get my weight back on track. Now the salt has allowed some water to come out. The water will dry, the mushroom will be a little brown, and I'm going to get it off the pan. My mushrooms are done. Now in the same pan, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to throw in some cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to add my chicken breast. Cook it till it's white in color and then remove it. This is about 200 grams. I'm cooking 200 grams. This will be enough for twice for me. So I'll have 100 for lunch and 100 for dinner. The chicken is ready. I'm going to just remove it. I'm going to add some onions, just about half. This is a low carb meal, not a no carb meal. So a little bit of cream or little bit of butter is fine. It's better than having a whole dal, chawal, whole meal, you know what I'm saying? At least in my case, this works. Adding a pinch of garlic. A little bit of water. A little lemon juice. A little bit of rosemary. And a little bit of oregano. Now I'm going to add literally a dash of cream. Just to make it a little thick. I prefer cream than corn flour. Now I'm adding my chicken. If you want, you can add some chili flakes. I'm going to add a little bit You can also skip this step. And my chicken is done. So my chicken is ready with some mushrooms and sourdough toast.